How can I use social media to promote my business and attract new clients?
How can you use social media to promote your business and attract new clients? So I would say if you're using social media, it's a structure that you want to do, right? So first of all, your link in bio, you need to have that linked to a page, either a link tree or a customized one. We have a customized one, but something that allows people to directly pick your offers and pick or see the offers and pick the one that's most appropriate for them. And then what you then also want to do is make sure all the content that you create drives people to that link in bio to be able to see those offers, right? So that is a structure you want to do. You want to think, okay, what are the offers that I want to offer for my business or my service? And then what are the problems that those people who will take those offers have? And then I want to then create the solutions to those offers so that then at the end of whatever content I create on social media, I can have an outro that says, click link in bio to see more, or to watch the full video, or to get in touch, or whatever the call to action is. That is how you want to run it. Now, the other thing which I'll also say is that you should also have something which is a sort of lead magnet for lead generation, because leads are what fuel your business by converting them into customers. The more leads you can have coming in, the more qualified and high quality leads you have coming in who have a lot of interest in your particular business, the more the likelihood of converting those leads into customers is. And then when you then convert those leads into customers, that's profit for the business, provided everything is set up the right way. But going back to the main point, promoting the business and attracting customers via social media involves you having those offers on a particular page, whether it's a link tree or something customized, having the content that solves a problem that those customers are likely to have. So think about your customer, think about all the problems they're going to have, and solve those problems through content. Let them see at the end of that content a way to go and actually get more. And that's how you promote your business, promote your personal brand, and collect leads to convert into customers, right? The one thing which I will also say is this: in as much as possible, try and make your business, not your business personality, your personal brand, which will most likely be in sync with your business, because most people don't necessarily think of the business. They think of the person first and then focus on the business. Tim Cook, Apple, or Steve Jobs, Apple. Steve Jobs probably has way more Instagram followers, or had way more Instagram followers than Apple did. Tim Cook probably has way more Instagram followers than Apple does. Ronaldo has way more followers than the team he plays for does. So these are all the things that you want to think about in terms of your personal brand, because your personal brand, if you can make it where your personal brand is in sync with your business, then the stuff that you do in your personal life can also be content. So it's not just every time you always have to post a solution. You can mix it up where you're actually doing real life stuff and business stuff. So then the content becomes one, and then people see it as, oh, this is a person who is doing the business, also doing real life stuff, and it's all just coming together. So that is one caveat which I will say, which in my opinion works, and in my experience works. I don't know if it will for you, but it's something which I suggest, because I feel, and I say specifically feel, because I wouldn't say that I know, but I feel people see other people who do people stuff as more normal, as opposed to business, where then it just seems like you're just trying to sell me stuff. So that again is my personal opinion. That's why I preface it with, this is what I think and what I feel. So yeah, those are the things I would suggest in terms of promoting your business via social media to attract more customers or get more customers in.